the man want marry her. The man said before he go marry her, he go take her and swear. I don't understand though. More than not vessel.
Okay.
I wanna look at now. Una will be Christian. I want me una contribute because me I don't understand. I want to talk this matter.
Okay.
She's a Christian.
Yes.
Now he don't get mad.
Okay.
Wait, be said the man not be full Christian.
Okay.
And the man tell her say before he go marry her, she go take her and swear.
Okay.
Or what you love.
Mommy Jore, they ask her a question, no?
They have to go back to Nigeria to go and swear.
Okay, okay. Make we answer her.
I want to really know
Okay.
for some people, man. I want to make una contribute.
Okay.
Because I don't understand the meaning of a Christian.
Okay.
You cannot be a Christian and marry a man who will not be Christian.
Yes.
You cannot.
Yes.
You can never be happy.
At all.
Darkness and light. Now so quarrel they quarrel.
Fight.
Your relationship go be cataract.
Big one.
Your marriage go be cataract.
Big one.
If you are a Christian, yes. A marriage will because now some Bible talk darkness and light they always fight.
Well.
They know they agree.
At all.
So if two couples not be Christian, you people go they fight every time.
Yes.
And there is no progress
at all
in that relationship.
At all.
There is no progress.
At all.
And when you call yourself a Christian,
yes.
or an Ogebog and make a so you are not original Christian.
Yes.
Or when no man make a so as a husband and wife, you are not a Christian.
At all.
Please, I want to know.
Okay.
You call yourself a Christian.
Yes.
Now you want to marry a man who will not be Christian.
Okay.
How you want to marry that marriage?
Now,
I don't know Bible, but I don't understand.
We want to answer the question, no.
I want to really know how you take the do it. Is it because Wamamio Tovenari Anusua?
Okay.
Abi, is it because where a lover or where you are?
Okay.
You know, Salomon when he married Vebo.
Yeah.
He married Juni Mana ya Vebo.
You hear?
But come on, no Webok Bima. You have a Webok Bomani. I very Makae.
Yes.
So please, I know say many women will fuck for this kind of thing.
Many days.
So I want to dedicate you all today, all the women in the house. Please.
You hear?
Don't because of love and swear.
Okay.
Even if that person get money, let him go with the money. Because Christian or
you hear?
There is nothing like Christian home, my people. There is nothing like Christian man. A Christian man always have wisdom. A Christian man always have respect. A Christian man always talk about Bible. A Christian man always make peace. Christian get class.
Yes.
Now me they talk. Christianity get class.
Mommy Jore, they ask a question.
The one will be say, if they go church, if he come back, now book. No. Marry original Christian. Original Christian. Okay. Quality Christian.
Yes.
When you say original Christian.
Mona ready. Mo answer this question.
I see some people before now. They go church.
Okay.
They say they be Christian.
Okay.
They go leave their wife, they'll go carry another girl, go stay for hotel for 1 week.
Okay.
That one never taught to original Christian.
Okay.
Please, I want to make everybody go contribute. You call yourself a Christian.
Christian. Okay.
I never heard my speaker.
Okay.
Make una never call.
No.
But come on the speaker then.
No. With the wait.
Then you
Mom Jore don't answer a question now. May we answer her. May we answer the question. A man married to a woman. You want to go use the woman, go swear. Yes. My own answer to answer Mommy Jore for the question where you ask the whole world. You see, why some men they use their wife, they swear. The reason. If you check this world, this Western world, women, all the whole women, they no want they submit their self to their husband. That's number one. Women for Africa, they see they swear. Why? The reason why women with the Western world, they are against swear. For the question where Mommy Yori ask, some men they know waiting their wife or their girlfriend they do. Fear not to let them talk. Some men they know waiting their wife they do. Then themselves they will see say their wife behavior no good for house. They go there inside. Their wife go they commit abomination. They will there inside. This question where you ask, many men there inside. Mommy Yore. But fear don't let them talk come out. Some go say, I don't want me to hear my voice for social media. I don't want me to hear my voice for social media. They are dying. The question where you ask us, say, may we answer. A woman, the reason why they say may their wife can swear. Not be Ojuju place, not be native daughter place, they want for go swear. Some men feel they say, na Juju, na Babalabo. No. Because you they fear. And if you wish to do it to your wife, the reason why some men they try to use their wife this way, because their wife attitude, their wife behavior, the way their wife they waka different waka with their husband no understand. That's the reason. Some men say they use their wife to swear Bible. No be only a some family they way they go church. They will use the woman swear Bible. Waiting that they swear, waiting women they swear for the place. If you say may you plan evil against that family, or may you cheat on your husband, finish. They not say me come swear me you die. No. If you yourself, you know say your mind clean, your heart clean, you not get evil mind against the family, or you not get mad to cheat on your husband. So if your husband carry you go there, swear the Bible. May your mind clear. May the whole family not say yes. You not get anything for your mind. Because of some women for the Western world, their character, their behavior, now they make some men go say, my wife, I will use you swear. Man go work. He might not go settle because of why we put for house. Why husband go work? Tenant and your wife, their play go strong past husband. Oh. So all those things they make man go say they want to use their wife to go swear. If you marry man who not use you swear, thank your God. If you still marry man who say you want to use you swear, if you know say your man clean, swear the Bible. Yes. Yes. To clear your mind, say yes, you don't have anything. Because of most of 90% women for the Western world, that they cheat on their husband. That's the reason that they are against to swear Bible or to swear Einowa. The reason, that's why they are against it. So, if your husband, now traditional man, say what you want me you do. If you no say, you no go feel swear. You no say you go cheat on your husband, so no swear, come out. But if you no say you no go plan evil against that family, you no go plan evil against the whole pikin wey you born for the man, you no go say make you go cheat on your husband. So if you see me swear Bible, you swear. So you swear not me say you die, no. To clear your mind, the question wey Mommy Yore ask, the answer, some men dey inside though, fear, not the let them, they even say me, they want to use their wife, take go swear Bible or swear in your wa. You swear in your wa, not me say your life don't finish, no. To clear your mind, to let the family know say you are not like that. So that the reason why some men they say, okay, I want to use my wife to go swear for family. So many men they inside this issue. They will bend the matter. They will even tell you, say, for what? For what? Which man be that one? The man they craze, the man they do. You yourself, you dey inside though. So women for Africa, they do one. But the one where they this Oyibo country so, where Oyibo don't tear their eye, you can't say me they go swear. They not go swear. They know. Some way swear. They not be mumu. Yes. Any woman where you don't swear, and you know what, you not be mumu. Mommy Yore ask a question, say, waiting cause why men go say make their wife can swear? So if you want to use your wife, you not be say before you marry your wife, no. Now after you marry the woman, if you say you want to swear, no problem. If you say you don't want to swear, no problem. Anyone you like. If you trust your wife, so no need for you say make you carry and go swear. No. If you see your wife attitude, your wife behavior, so not be person go tell you say your wife not have anything like that. You yourself, you dey see am. But the way you can't see different things from that woman, now your mind can't tell you say, because question we Mommy Yore ask now, you know why most of men want say me they go use their wife this way. You see some women, they'll carry pikin from outside, go give their husband for house. If you check some of their children, not be that man born. The man go work. The woman go deal with either he deal with Oyibo or he deal with black. Some women they do one. That is the reason why some men go say they want to use their wife to go swear. If you know say your mind clean, if you jam that kind of man, say you want to use your swear. If you know say you know they shit on your husband, all your children are that man born, you know they plan evil against the family or your own pikin. So if not the Einowa or the Bible, swear, put hand. Nothing there. If you reach there, they will tell you, say, if you say me you plan evil, if you say me you plan evil against your husband, against the family, against the children where you born for the man, if you say me you go shit on your husband, may you put hand for the Bible. Finish. If you don't say your mind clean on all those things, you don't get that kind of thing for mind. So you put hand for the Bible, you go your own. But if you know say You dey like another man pass your husband. You dey admire another man pass your husband. No go swear. It go affect you. The question wey Mommy Yori asks, now we dey put answer so. You as a woman, if you know say you dey admire another man after you don dey husband house, no swear. But if you know say your mind clean, na only that man you pull your mind. So nothing dey there. That place, they not dey keep person put. No. If you read there, you clear your mind. Finish. You see, they make men they get trust for their wife. Some men see they get trust for their wife because of after maybe they don't go swear a Bible or anywhere. Some men will can't get trust. They don't can't get that mind. Say, yeah, my wife they shit too. My wife they shit too. No, they not can't get. They can't free their mind. Some men they will say they reason all those things. If they see their wife, the way they waka waka, I don't understand them. A man go they tell and say, no, my wife they shit on me. My wife they shit on me. So women all over the world, I want to beg you now. Please, if you know say you know the eat food, that food where you know the eat, don't let people know say you the eat am. Let people know say you know the eat. Not be say you know the eat, but you do I like you the eat am. People go use and rub your face. They'll say, no, she dey do am. Please, my brothers and my sisters. Brother, you hear the question wey Mommy Yori asks. If you yourself, not be only swear Bible or swear in your word. Even though say you don't even swear Bible or swear in your word. If the woman they shit on you, it concern God. Now your God go even fight for you. If you believe God, if you know say yes, God will fight for you. So you can even though say you don't even carry the woman, go family. You can even carry Bible, your own Bible for inside house. You put her for ground. You say, may your wife lay down. May put her for this Bible. Anything where you want talk on. If you say me go shit on you, if you say me go carry another baby, can't give you. If you say me plan evil against you and against your children, you can even do them by yourself for your house. If you wish to do. So, Mommy Yori, thank you very much for this question where you can ask the whole world. Who get the answer? Answer your own. Don't say you hide for corner. You dey listen to who they talk for social media. You say you dey shame to talk come out. You are dying. Now you know. Who die? They'll go bury him. Who they laugh better pass who they cry. Let them laugh you than they cry you. My brother, my sister. Change. Mommy Yori, thank you for this question. Thank you very much. God bless you.